In front of me is Xiaomi 14 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off location. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. Then to disable location, select Close in No Location Access pop-up. So when I go back, as you can see, my shortcut turned black. That means that location is disabled, so to enable it, click on the same tile again. If you want to, you can also go into Devices Settings, scroll down and tap on the Location section at the bottom. Then click on this switcher next to Use Location to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!